In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage the access on your files in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you have shared your files already and you just want to manage the access that those people you've shared it with, here's how to do it. So first, what you're going to do would be to select the file that you want to manage the access to, and then tap on the ellipsis at the right side. There we go. Here we have our options, and in between our make available offline and our copy link would be our manage access. If you tap on it, here we have it. At the moment, this file is in general access. Anyone with the link would be able to see it, edit it, and comment on it. So to change that, we're going to tap on the arrow pointing to the right. There we go. And again, at the top, anyone with the link will have general access. If we tap again on the arrow pointing to the right, it will give us two options. We can restrict it to the people that we've added when we share this file, or if we've copied the link and just send it to some people, then they will have general access. So we can have restricted. There we go. The permission has been updated. Only people added can open this file. Or again, if you tap on the arrow pointing to the right, you can always change it with anyone with a link. If we go back to our people with access right here below, so the owner is at the top right there, and the people with access with it are below the first line. So we only have one other person with the access to this. And if we want to change the type of access that we want for this person, we're going to tap on the arrow pointing down or a drop down right here. And here we have it. So the people that you've shared this with can just view it, comment on it, or edit it. So if you just want these people or this person to just view the file, you can just tap on that. There we go. And it will tell you that this person won't be able to take certain actions any longer. If you agree to that, then just tap on continue. And now it's updated that file, and there you have it. Permissions have been changed for this person, and that's how you can manage the access for the people that you've shared this file with here in the Google Sheets app using the iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.